It may be tiresome to delete photos on Facebook one by one, especially if you have a lot of photos on your Facebook. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all photos at once on Facebook. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's get started. Now tap on those three lines on your top right corner. Then scroll down. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. Then scroll down. Then under your activity, you are going to tap on Activity Log. Then again tap on your Facebook activity. Then scroll down. Then you are going to tap on Manage Posts. Then tap on Filters. Then Categories. Then you are going to see the first option here. Your posts, photos and videos. So just tap on it. Then here you are going to see all of your posts, all of your photos and all of your videos. So these are all of my photos and videos. So in order to delete all photos on Facebook at once, check that box beside all. Then once they are selected, you can now tap Trash at the bottom there. Then move to Trash. So if you really want to delete all these of your photos, you just need to tap on Move to Trash. But for me, I do not want to delete these photos. I'm just going to leave them there that way. And that's how you can simply delete all photos on Facebook at once. If you have found this video useful, please do not forget to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.